Okay, we're in a 2013 Crossroads Patriot, model number 305. That means 305 cubic square feet. I believe it's a 35 footer. You have the sleeper sofa, the two Lazy Boys chairs, TV, stereo, hard countertops, convection oven, stove, microwave, not a convection oven, convection microwave, stove, oven, full bathroom, all enclosed by itself. I don't know if you can see with the nice large shower. You've got a fantastic vent and a sunlight. Queen bed. You have full storage right there, and washer and dryer hookup, and a second TV up here. I don't know if you can see with the light or anything, but there's a TV right there. Heating the floors. It's got the cold air package, surround sound, ceiling fan. The woodwork is very, very high quality. This is real wood. Very nice. Nice hardware. This is the best part of the whole thing. Stainless steel sink, Moët faucet. Very, very nice interior. Look at the valances. Look how well those are put together. Very nice designed. And then you have your things that go down. Automatic, what's it called on the outside? Automatic power awning. Again, polar package. Aluminum cage construction. And this is the Gorilla cage construction. This is the next level in the quality of these things as they're getting built. This is a 6-piece aluminum construction. It's better than the old days. I love this dinette. Beautiful couch, sofa, sleeper sofa too. Okay, that's pretty much the inside. I'll do one of the outside now.